Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to prepare a professional resume without paying any money or without going to any online website. So for that, just go to start and open a Word document. So click on the Word. Now I have this MS Office 2019 version. You need to check your version because in older version probably this feature might not be available. Then go to this more templates, and in this more template, once you go down, you will find that so many templates of resumes are already available. But if you want to see more templates of resume, then in this search box type resume. Here you can see, and then click enter, and you can find that so many resume formats are now available. Out of this you can choose any of the format. Let us say I am choosing this one, photo cover letter, or this could be another cover letter. Let me just choose a better one. This is impact resume. So I click on it and automatically it will convert into editable format. So here it's a name. So let me write a name. Let us say my name is Raj. So I write it here. Similarly, every field is editable. You can delete it and you can write yours, and Control Z is for undoing the any changes. So you can, if you have done any mistake, just go for Control Z, or you can undo the changes from here also, and you can prepare a very good resume. So I hope that you like my video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.